Today's activity is to help the women's folk in your family with house chores. Now, if you yourself are the one doing house chores, then this is your lucky day. Inshallah, you will have the men's folk and the children helping you out. Hopefully, they're not creating more of a mess than they are cleaning up. But this is something very, very important, that in Ramadan, we look after each other. We see that, okay, this is the month of worship. How can I help my fellow family member, my parent, my sister, my daughter? How can I help them dedicate more time to the worship of Allah? And if you help with that intention, then inshallah, you will get the reward of any extra worship they are doing. So today's activity, help your family member with some house chores, whatever you can do with the right intention, and inshallah you will put a smile on their face, and you will also gain the reward for the extra worship that they are able to do because of your help.